Today I'm going to show you how to use one finger to make two different chords and start making music in minutes. So far in my videos I've gone over a lot of the basic technical stuff, but now it's time to have some fun. So the definition of a chord is three or more musical notes that when played together form a single musical harmony, such as an E chord. What you've got in an E chord is an E, a B, another E, a G sharp, a B, and another E. We're going to learn today a modified version of that. We're going to play the first three notes of the chord. 6th string, 5th string, 4th string. But instead of using all of our fingers like a full E chord, we're going to use one finger and we're going to use it for both of these frets, just like that. So now I'm playing the 6th string, 5th string, 4th string. It's a modified E chord. Same thing with the A. We got an A, got an E, you got a C sharp, a B, and an E. Same concept. We're going to take one finger. Instead of having three fingers on the 2nd fret, we're going to take our one finger, play the A string open, 5th string, and then 2nd fret on the 4th string, 2nd fret on the 3rd string. That's a modified A chord. Now we can cycle between those. Alright, so you get the idea. I made a rhythm track that I want you to check out that you can use to play these chords over and get some practice and do something musical. Try different rhythms. If you can't manage that, you can just use the E and the A string. You can work your way up to making the partial chord. You'll notice even if you're just playing the chords real slow like that, what's going on underneath it makes a difference. It makes it sound musical. You know, the drum beat's changing, the bass line's changing. Try playing along with either one of those. Playing along with the hi-hat right there. Bass line. the idea. So the reason I made this with just a bass line is because doing it that way, it'll sound good with no matter what kind of guitar you have. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about these full chords. We'll work on that later. It's a lot of really technical stuff with the guitar, and it's all very important, but I'm trying to approach things from musical, trying to be musical first, and then learning the more technical stuff kind of as we go. You could play this with an acoustic guitar, an electric guitar with a clean sound, kind of like I have. Throw some distortion on there. It's going to sound cool no matter what. Remember, you're doing this on a YouTube video probably by yourself, so don't worry about how it sounds. Just practice with it, play with it, have a lot of fun. Keep working on it. Work on your rhythm with the drum beat. Work on making the chord changes. These are super easy chords to do. You're making music. Have a good one.